Hi, I'm Zach. This is my wife Katie. We're building the Finley floor plan with Shaw Homes. I'd say that the best part about our experience with Shaw Homes has been how friendly everybody is, how stress-free they make it. When you hear about home building, I always thought, I see people stressing out, freaking out, worrying about this and that. I think with the staff here, they help kind of alleviate all that and help you handle a lot better. I think what sets Shaw apart from other builders is probably personality and professionalism. Like I said, they're just really relatable people. I just feel like I can text someone up and tell them this, and instead of getting a whole professional answer, they'll be honest with you. I feel that I can come in here and joke around, and I don't feel like I'm in a business interview. Stuff like that. I just feel like they're very relatable people. I would say that if you don't, you're missing out on the quality experience. Like I said, they've made it very stress-free, really. I mean, obviously there is a little bit of stress when it comes to a big step like building a house, but I mean, I think we both agree that
we're excited.
We are excited.
About a beautiful house.
A beautiful home, and it wasn't as stressful as I thought it'd be. It's actually been pretty fun.